Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Jaz Muhyiddin. The next topic of testes we are discussing is torsion of the testes. Torsion means twisting. Definition: it is the condition causing twisting of the testes, resulting compromise of the blood supply, leading to the death of the testes. The earlier the surgery is done to untwist, the better the results. The untwisting should be done within the first 6 hours for 100% results. If the surgery is done after 24 hours, the salvage rate is 20%. Normally, the testis is anchored and cannot rotate. Abnormalities required for torsion of the testis. Inversion of the testis, most important, testis lies transversely or upside down. High investment of the tunica vaginalis causing testes to hang like a clapper in the bell. Separation of epididymis from the body of the testis, or straining or lifting weight or spontaneously during the sleep. So these are the causes. Clinical features. It is most common between the age of 10 to 25 years. Sudden agonizing pain in the lower abdomen and the groin. Nausea, vomiting, and absent cremasteric reflex. Testis and cord are high, twisted, tender, and can be palpated. Differential diagnosis: epididymoorchitis. In case of epididymoorchitis, skin is red, fever, dysuria with UTI. Elevation of the testis causes pain in the epididymoorchitis, while makes it worse in torsion of the testis. Elevation of the testis reduces the pain in epididymoorchitis, whereas it makes the pain worse on torsion of the testis. So this is a very important test to differentiate whether it is epididymoorchitis or torsion, because the epididymoorchitis would need the medical treatment, whereas the torsion testis would require immediate surgery. If the diagnosis is clinical, then conservative treatment, while if it is in doubt, surgical exploration is essential. Mumps orchitis. In mumps orchitis, the cord is not thickened and it is bilateral. And in allergic orchitis, the condition has eosinophilia with swelling of the perineum, groin, and the penis. Management: in case of doubt, exploration is required. Doppler's ultrasound can show absence of blood supply to the affected testis. Exploration done by scrotal incision, cord untwisted and both testes fixed by unabsorbable sutures. Infarcted testes should be removed or orchiectomy. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bailey Love, 26th edition. Thank you.